Hello, friends, and my dear students. I am Vinay Kumar. So, today I am going to take you toward the world of chemistry. So, welcome all of you to the world of chemistry. You might be thinking what I am going to tell you about chemistry here. So, let me clear you, my dear friends, here. I am going to take the concept of TCT and TET. What is the syllabus content, how to do preparation, and all these things you'll get in this series. So, let's begin. So, first is introduction of TET and TCT medical non-medical series for preparation of chemistry. So what I'm going to tell you here I'm going to tell you about the syllabus for TCT and TET examination, then marking scheme and probability of the questions from particular topic. So these things we are going to cover in this particular series. So let's start with the syllabus first. What to study and what to leave. It is very typical in the part of chemistry because in chemistry you can see almost 30 chapters are there in plus 1 and plus 2, and you have seen you might be seen in the case of your TCT or TET book. There also it is nearby 25 chapters are there. So how to cover up those and how to find out the right way to study. So here I am with the syllabus. So let's see. I'm going to tell you about first the syllabus part. Let's start with class 11th. So what to study from 11th? From 11th, we need to study first the first chapter, that is the basic concept of chemistry. From this chapter definitely there is one question. It may be a question related to your significant figure or some sort of numerical value. Next we have classification of element and property. This is related to periodic table, and my dear friends, you have seen properly here. From this particular reason you will get 2 to 3 questions. Then chemical and molecular bonding. From this chapter there are so many questions, and 2 to 3 questions is there in exam. Sometime 1 or 2 definitely, like it is related to shapes of particular compound or some sort of molecular bonding. Then equilibrium. From equilibrium also you will get one question. Then we have redox reaction. It may be oxidation or reduction, or it may be the oxidation number of a particular substance or compound. Then here we have next thing, process of extraction of element. From here also you will get one question definitely. It may be in the form of your extraction of element like any method, or it may be in the case of alloys. Any alloy can be asked in the exam. Next we have S block element. From S block element definitely there is one or two question. It may be in the form of properties or some sort of logical question. Then P block also same. From here you need to learn some sequence. I am going to tell you in detail in upcoming videos. Then here last topic is hydrocarbon. From hydrocarbon also you will get a question. It may be naming, or sometime it is just to calculate sigma and pi bound. Then let's move toward class plus 2. What is in plus 2? What to do study? What is the important part of class plus 2? You need to go with solid state first, because solid state definitely one question is there. It may be that some defect or some sort of numerical value. Then solution, definitely one question is there, or sometime two question is there. It may be related to your colligative properties, or it may be related to your basic solution part, that is emulsion, collide and true solution. Then next we have thermodynamics. One question is there from thermodynamics always. Then similarly from electrochemistry, in electrochemistry it may be EMF of the cell or standard electrode potential. Then next we have here chemical kinetics. One question or sometime two question is there from chemical kinetics, and one question is always there like to calculate the rate of reaction or half-life of reaction. Second is order of reaction or their units. Then next we have P block. In P block in class plus 2 definitely one question is there from xenon group, noble gases or from your halogens. Then similarly in D block you will get a question, one or two questions from here also. And similarly a last one, polymer topic. From polymer always a one question is there. It may be TET, it may be TCT, and they are asking about monomer of particular polymer. Last one is everyday life. From everyday life you will also get a question. It may be in the form of some sort of medicine name or tranquilizer, painkiller. They are asking some common question from here also. So these are some content which you need to focus, and you can see from here, my dear friends, you can score more than 25 marks from here out of 40 in TET, more than 25. So that means if you are able to score more than 25, then you can easily get a good marks in TET or your TCT exam. So what I am going to provide you here in on this platform, that is, first thing, I am going to provide you the chemistry content, and chemistry content specially related to the TET series 2016 to 2019. It may be medical, it may be non-medical. From both series, I'm going to take questions. Similarly, I'm going to take questions from your second category, that is TCT, most important, 2016 to 19. And now the last thing that I'm going to provide you here, that is new pattern study material related to TET and TCT. So definitely, my dear friends, I'm going to provide you the useful content on this series. So please stay tuned for upcoming